Matthew 16:1-12. Pharisees and Sadducees test Jesus. The Pharisees and Sadducees came up, and putting Jesus to the test, they asked him to show them a sign from heaven. But he replied to them, "When it is evening, you said, 'It will be fair weather, for the sky is red.' And in the morning, 'There will be a storm today, for the sky is red and threatening.' You know how to discern the appearance of the sky, but are you unable to discern the signs of the times? An evil and adulterous generation wants a sign, and so a sign will not be given to it, except the sign of Jonah." And he left them and went away. And the disciples came to the other side of the sea, but they had forgotten to bring any bread. And Jesus said to them, "Watch out and beware of the leaven of the Pharisees and Sadducees." And they began to discuss this among themselves, saying, "He said that because we did not bring any bread." But Jesus, aware of this, said, "You men of little faith, why are you discussing among yourselves the fact that you have no bread? Do you not yet understand nor remember the 5 loaves of the 5,000, and how many baskets you pick up? Or the 7 loaves of the 4,000, and how many large baskets you picked up? How is it that you do not understand that I did not speak to you about the bread? But beware of the leaven of the Pharisees and Sadducees." Then they understood that he did not say to beware of the leaven of the bread, but of the teaching of the Pharisees and Sadducees. Now please take a moment to give a summary for what you've just read. Your summary can be something like, the Pharisees and Sadducees wanted a sign to test Jesus. Jesus said that no sign will be given except that the sign of Jonah. Jesus also warned against the teachings of the Pharisees and Sadducees. Here's your comprehension question. He did not say to beware of the leaven of bread, but of the blank of the Pharisees and Sadducees. What did he say to beware of? Is it the A, the teaching, or the B, the leaven?
A.
If your answer is A, teaching, then good job! Yay! The answer is A. He did not say to beware of the leaven of bread, but of the teaching of the Pharisees and Sadducees. Verse 12. Now ponder this. Jesus said that the only sign given to an evil and adulterous generation is the sign of Jonah. What kind of a sign is the sign of Jonah? Was that sign portrayed through the life, death, and resurrection of Jesus?
We should create